That is knowledge. Our knowledge is imperfect because our senses are imperfect. Therefore, we do not come to the right knowledge by exercising our senses. The idea is that we should accept this statement of Krishna and the Shastra that we, or I, or you, we are spirit soul, we are permanent. And the body is not permanent. But we should be intelligent enough how we can get the condition of permanence. That is possible when you or I, we come to the platform of eternity. That is explained in another place of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Bahavo jnana tapasa puta madbhavam adhigacchati, like that. Means that many persons, by cultivating knowledge and tapasya, jnana tapasya, puta, become purified, they have got the same status like me. The same status means God is eternal, God is full of knowledge, and God is full of bliss. So we are all part and parcel of God. We are part and parcel of God, therefore we have got the same quality. Just like a particle of gold has got the same quality as the big gold. As the small drop of seawater has got the same chemical composition as the large mass water. That God is Satchidananda Vigraha, eternal, full of bliss and knowledge. We can also attain that stage by purifying ourselves. That purificatory process is stated as jnana tapasa, means knowledge and austerity. We can come to the real knowledge of our existence by purifying ourselves. The purificatory process we are introducing by this Krishna consciousness movement. And the method is very simple, chanting Hare Krishna mantra. The more you chant this Maha Mantra or the transcendental vibration, Hare Krishna, you become purified. Then you can understand what you are. Then every one of us, we can understand that I am not this body, I am not American, I am not Indian, I am not Mexican, I am spirit soul. This stage is called Brahma Bhuta, means self-realization. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma means as soon as you are self-realized, you become jubilant. In the bodily concept of life, we are always full of anxiety and morose. That is the material condition. But as soon as you realize yourself that you are not this body, you are different from this body, you become jubilant. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. This is means as soon as one is self-realized, immediately he becomes happy, jubilant. And what is the symptom of becoming jubilant? That is also stated, na sochati, na kankhati. He does not hanker after anything, neither he laments for any loss. In the material condition, we are in the platform of lamentation and hankering. Everyone is trying to possess something which he does not possess, and everyone is lamenting after losing his position. These are the condition of the materialistic person. So, Brahma realization or self-realization means no longer lamentation, no longer hankering. The next stage is samasarveshu bhuteshu, means then he becomes equal to everyone. He does not treat differently to different living entities, because he can see the spirit soul in everyone. He sees everyone on the same equal position. This stage is called the bona fide stage for devotional service. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma Nasochati Nakankati Samas sarveshu bhuteshu madbhakti lavati para. That is our perfectional stage. Madbhakti lavati para means to be engaged in the loving service of God. So, cultivating knowledge, we are opening so many centers. You can take advantage and cultivate knowledge, jnana tapasa, and practice little austerity. Get the knowledge, just like we are discussing in this meeting, it is meant for acquiring knowledge. So we hold meeting at least twice, thrice in every center. So you can also participate and take the knowledge. And if you practice little austerity, then two things, jnana tapasa, you become purified. And as soon as you are purified, you understand what you are and what is God and what is your relationship with God. And as soon as you know these three things, your life is perfect. Thank you very much. Now you can ask questions.
How can anyone in any part of the world understand that he is part of God?
Have you got any understanding of God? Do you know what is God? What is that?
It is the essence. He calls it some vague thing, the essence.
Some. That means he has no clear idea. You do not know what is God clearly. You say some, this, that. That is not clear idea. So how you can understand the part and parcel of God? If you do not know what is God, how you can understand what is part and parcel of God?
He's saying that God is love and therefore we should love each other.
So that how we are preaching. That we are samas sarveshu bhuteshu. See everyone on the equal level and love. That's all.
What happens after death? What do you think of?
That we have explained, that you have to accept another body. And there are 8,400,000 different forms of body. And you will be awarded one of the body out of the 8,400,000. The body is awarded according to your karma or action. We are acting in three modes of material nature. Some of them are acting in goodness, some of them are acting in passion, and some of them are acting in ignorance. So there are three different modes of activities. Now when you mix up three into three, it becomes 9. And again, if you multiply 9 by 9, it becomes 81. So it increases, and so subtle division of the mixture of the three qualities. Just like the painter, he knows how to mix the three original color, namely blue, yellow and red. The red color represents passion, and the yellow color represents ignorance, and the blue color represents goodness. So, as the color painter knows how to mix and make varieties of colors, similarly the three modes of material nature being mixed up, they are represented in so many different forms of body. So at the present moment, in your human form of body, you are also mixing the same qualities in your different desires. That means you are creating your next body. So at the time of death, the thoughts and the activities which will be prominent within your mind, you will get a similar body next life. Therefore, the intelligent man should be very cautious to get the next body. We can get the body like God, we can get the body like the dog. Therefore, the best intelligent person should try to endeavor